switch on the Glock, ain't no boy hanging no blocks. Got a hood slipped in my chops, they grab my knee, be banging the watts. Pull up in your block, have a hand tree, who come out first get shot. Play on Julie B9, ring bitch, get 21 shot like the bar. Play on Julie B9, ring bitch, it's 6 2 in the scar. Play on Julie B, won't be sleep, won't slide on you to the mall. Play on Julie B9, ring bitch, it's 6 2 in the scar. Oh God.
Just before 4 o'clock this morning and then ran through the showroom windows. The truck had business with cleaning up the mess.
Man, I tell you what, when somebody wants a Jeep that bad, that's pretty impressive. If you want a Jeep so bad, you just want to drive on the showroom floor. I wish they could have waited until we opened, though. We would have just opened the doors up.
We mean business, nigga. I ain't finna play with these niggas. I'm in South Vegas when I'm in the city. Me and some fathers don't take with them killers. Get back the charge when I'm in the city. Take the tags off and fill it with killers. Pussy ass nigga just rapping inside them songs. Won't even slap voices. My young nigga say he'll get the job done. Let him take a picture with the bread game fin. Gotta be cool rapping about these switches. That shit fast ain't this. They be like, where the fuck this young nigga from? I'm from the west of Memphis. Stop through the city. I don't even check on my family. Nigga first stop at the kitchen. I want some foxes, bobbers, kitchens, 304s, and some people. All this smoke be coming out of blue. MP90, sound like an engine. Those choppers and switches. Nigga, you can have shot off when I brought it to the trenches. I ain't like when that button had melted. Told little bro, take that shit out that glitch. I was some foxes and killers. I was some foxes and killers. Slide crook. I was some foxes and killers. No, yeah. I was some foxes and killers. Little bopper. Nigga, yeah, slide crook. You know, but he bustin' corner, but we still had a car. 614, tell the X-truck off. I ain't no snake for that skill. Talking about foxes, switch up. Who you hitting? I'm talking about bottling and killing. I'm back up, shit, nigga, bad as you with. I'm saying the weird just out of the business. He tell me the Diamo, we done with the mess. I'm talking about riding with 50. See around the cigar with automatic singles. Check the news away to me. Slide that showroom, high speed to Memphis. I'm signing like to my niggas, they watching. They know that the feds be easy. Man, walk and talk for the trust. Kill all the house, they hide, they miss it. Kill all the dying for air and the mention. I see like the rip, got devil attention. Shit, sit back to the city. Dumb ass nigga tryna pop on that boy. Everybody is gonna go and bowl. Go, push it up, they already know. Let's go. We open this scope. Shoot up top, here now we shoot below. Throw the scotch to the top, bro. You see that fire jumping out this hole. Chill by my to the red low. You know don't pull it time I approach. I'm foxy, switch, I'm about to kill him. I'm running love. I'm 614, riding on him, 614, riding this.